How to enable Google Chat in Gmail. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Google Chat in Gmail. To do so, first of all, you need to open any web browser of your preference on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the address bar, type in mail.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, now you'll be taken to the official Gmail website. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you log into your account, you will land on this page where at the top right you will be able to see this gear or the settings icon. Go ahead and click on the settings, and at the right side you will find this quick settings. From here you need to find this chat and meet option. Once you find chat and meet option, below it you will be able to see customize button. Click on this customize and a dialog box will appear on your screen. Here you need to click on these checkboxes in order to add it to your Gmail. Click on the checkbox ahead of Google Chat, and if you want, you may also click on the checkbox ahead of Google Meet. Once after doing that, click on this done button right at the bottom to save the changes. It will ask you to reload, as Google needs to be reloaded to make the changes. After clicking on reload, now wait for a while, and after that, when it successfully reloads, at the left sidebar you will be able to see this chat option. Now from here, you will be able to start a new chat and send direct messages to the people. So in this way, you can enable Google Chat in Gmail. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.